In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover PowerPoint PPT file from lost, deleted, unsaved. If you've ever closed PowerPoint without saving or accidentally lost a presentation, don't worry. There's a built-in way to get it back. We'll start right inside the app. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. You don't need to open any particular file. Just launch the program to get to the home screen. Next, head to the File tab in the top left corner. This opens what's called the Backstage view, where all your file management options live. From the menu on the left, click Info. This section is where PowerPoint stores tools for managing versions and recovering content. Look for the button labeled Manage Presentation. In some versions, you might see Manage Document instead. It's the same idea. Click that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Recover Unsaved Presentations. PowerPoint will open a special folder that stores temporary versions of files you didn't save before closing. In that folder, browse the list of unsaved files, pay close attention to the timestamps so you can pick the version closest to when you were working. Select the file you want, then click Open. When it launches, take a quick look to confirm it's the right one. As soon as it's open, save it immediately. Go to Save As, choose a safe location like your desktop or documents, give it a clear name if needed, and click Save. This locks in the recovered content so you don't lose it again. If your file was deleted rather than just unsaved, there's another quick check you can do. Open your recycle bin, find the PowerPoint file, right-click it, and choose Restore. Windows will place it back in its original folder. If you have a lot of items, sort by date deleted or use the search bar to find it faster. To help prevent future data loss, it's a good idea to adjust your auto recover settings. Go to File, then Options, then Save. Set auto recover to save every 5 minutes or less. You can also make sure the option to keep the last auto-saved version if you close without saving is enabled. Remember, auto-recover is a safety net. It doesn't replace hitting save regularly. If you use cloud storage like OneDrive with autosave, that can add another layer of protection. Quick recap: File, Info, Manage Presentation, recover unsaved presentations, open the file and save as immediately. For deleted files, check the recycle bin, and set auto-recover to minimize risk going forward. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.